Welcome to Everyday English Boost. Today we're mastering linking words to make your English sound fluent. Linking words connect phrases naturally. Let's practice to sound like a native speaker. Let's start with going to. Say, I'm going to the park. Link it to sound like I'm gonna the park. Repeat 3 times, focusing on blending going and to for a smooth, natural flow. Next, practice have to. Say, I have to study. Link it to sound like I have to study. Repeat 3 times. Blend have and to make your speech sound natural. Now, try want to. Say, I want to learn English. Link it to sound like I want to learn English. Practice 3 times. Focus on blending want and to for a fluent sound. Let's try a question. What do you want to do? Link it to sound like what do you want to do? Repeat 3 times. Blend what do you into what do you for a natural question. Combine 2. I'm going to have to go. Say it as I'm gonna have to go. Practice 3 times. Link gonna and hafta for a smooth, native-like flow. Try a longer sentence. I want to go to the store. Say it as I want to go to the store. Repeat twice, linking want to and blending to into ETG for fluency. Practice a complex question. What are you going to do? Say it as Whatcha gonna do? Repeat 3 times. Blend what are you into Whatcha for a natural flow. Let's try I'm going to get it done. Say it as I'm gonna get it done. Practice twice. Link going to into gonna for a smooth, natural sound. Practice I have to go to work. Say it as I have to go to work. Hence. Repeat 3 times. Link have to and blend to into teat for fluency. Let's combine. What do you have to do? Say it as what do you have to do? Practice 3 times. Blend what do you and have to for a natural flow. Try this phrase. I'm going to try it. Say it as I'm gonna try it. Repeat twice. Focus on linking going to into gonna for a natural sound. Let's practice. I'm going to try it. Say it as I'm gonna try it. Repeat twice. Focus on linking going to into gonna for a natural sound. Try this. I want to see a movie. Say it as I want to see a movie. Repeat 3 times. Blend want to into wanna for smooth speech. Practice this. I have to finish my homework. Say it as I have to finish my homework. Repeat twice. Blend have to into hafta for a natural flow. Let's try. What are you doing? Say it as Whatcha doin'? In. Repeat 3 times. Blend what are you into Whatcha for a fluent question. Practice. I'm going to meet my friends. Say it as I'm gonna meet my friends. Repeat twice. Link going to into gonna for a smooth, natural sound. Try this. I have to call my mom. Say it as I have to call my mom. Repeat 3 times. Blend have to into hafta for a fluent flow. Let's practice. What do you want to eat? Say it as what do you want to eat? Repeat 3 times. Blend what do you into what do you for a natural question. Try this. I'm going to buy some food. Say it as, I'm gonna buy some food. Repeat twice. Link, going to into Ghana for a smooth, natural flow. Practice. I have to clean my room. Say it as, I have to clean my room. Repeat 3 times. Blend have to into hafta for a fluent sound. Try this. What are you going to buy? Say it as, Whatcha gonna buy? Repeat 3 times. Blend. What are you into? Whatcha for a natural question. Great job practicing linking words. Keep repeating these daily to sound more fluent. Subscribe to Everyday English Boost for more speaking tips. See you next time.